At Functional Rustic today we are going to make our own stress ball. So how we do that is all we need is what you see here. Get some all-purpose flour, any sort of lotion. I'm going to make it green, so I've got some food coloring, and I'm going to put glitter in it, so I've got some glitter. Alright, just take any lotion that you've got laying around. This happens to be a compilation of about 10 or 20 different lotion bottles I had when I moved, and I just combined them all together. Ugh. Get out a bit. Alright, set that aside, and now I want to add in a little bit of food coloring. A lot. Now, there's probably a proper measurement for this. I'm not going to look it up. I don't measure. I DIY on the fly. Alright, got a couple handfuls of the flour, and now we just mix it up. Ah, the texture is so cool. This project actually began as an attempt to make slime for my nephew, but all the ingredients, I guess, that I needed for it, I didn't have. So I took what I did have and made my own recipe. Add a bit more flour. Yeah, it's really kind of sticky here. The green is not coming through. I really should have mixed in the food coloring with the lotion before I added all the flour. Alright, so at this point I'm really just squeezing it like that. And what I'm seeing with the food coloring is that you get little, where's the thing? Blobs. I don't know how to work this camera yet. So I'm just going to keep squeezing. Keep on squeezing. Doing this with two hands would probably be better, but I want one hand that doesn't have stuff all over it. Alright, so I'm still squeezing it in. This reminds me of making cookies, but with the dough a bit doughier. Okay. Alright. Keep squeezing it, get everything mixed together. Alright, this is actually a little, feels a little dry. I'm just going to get a little more lotion. Just kind of mix it in there. I like this kind of craft because it's all lotion. Gonna make my hands feel pretty. Oh, the green is actually kind of turning out pretty cool. It's kind of doing a stripe look to it. Nice. Alright, it's getting to be a nice consistency. Definitely squeezable, but it's still a little sticky for my taste. So, I'm going to put a little hole in there, and I've got some Skin So Soft. I'm just going to pour a little bit inside there and then mix it up. This is going to make it a little less sticky, and it also makes it smell really good. As far as I'm concerned, it also helps moisturize your hands when you squeeze it. You could use baby oil. You could probably use any sort of oil. I imagine even like canola or olive oil could work in this. But I'm using this to relieve stress, so I want it to smell nice, and the fact that it moisturizes is just awesome. All right, look at that. Clean up my hands a little bit. So this is what we've got so far, which is pretty good all on its own. Get mad, but I want to add some bling. So let's get out the glitter. Make a little hole. Alright, let's see. I think blue would look good in here. Alright, I'm going to pour quite a bit actually inside there. And now I fold it up some more. Folding it in. And surprisingly, all the glitter does not just fall out. And then literally you just knead it in until the glitter is properly distributed. Even making it is relieving stress. So cool. And just keep squeezing, keep squeezing. This is perfect for children to make. You saw how easy that was. Ooh. Remember, all this is white flour and some leftover hand lotion, a little bit of dye, and some glitter. And here we go. Nice little glitter ball. We'll compare it to the original one that I made. Look, a little bit of green, no food coloring at all. They both have glitter. You notice that none of the glitter is getting onto my hands. It just stays in there. So cool. Relieve stress and moisturize your hands. Just another day at Functional Rustic. See more videos like this at functionalrustic.com.